Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix League of Legends stuck on loading screen after champion select. So in order to fix League of Legends stuck on loading screen after champ select easily, we have to head to the search panel of Windows. From here we will type League of Legends and click on open file location. Now right click on the shortcut and click on open file location again. Then head back to Riot Games from up here. Go to League of Legends, game. Now here you will see that the League of Legends exe file resides in. So what we need to do is copy the URL from the top hand side. Just click copy, then exit the folder. After that we'll head to the search panel again, then type graphics settings, then click on open. Now from here we'll need to add League of Legends in our apps list of the graphics section. To do that, we'll just click on add a desktop app. Now paste the URL you copied up here, and as you can see it leads to here. So we'll just left click on League of Legends.exe, then click on add. After that we will maximize it. GPU preference will be high performance. Optimization from Windows games will be on. And that's it. Now if you open League of Legends, you will see that you are no longer facing this issue and you can enjoy this game as you did before.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.